Hello, it's John Bedke from John Bedke & Son Plumbing again, and today we're going to talk about some quick and easy drain cleaning that you can do at home. So two very common drains that get clogged in your home are your shower and your sink. We're going to look at the shower first. So a shower drain can have one of two different types of lids. This one here has two screws. You would remove those and then take the plate off. Some of them just have a grate that pops right off, and you just take that off, then you have access to the pipe. Once you have access to the pipe, you just take an easy tool like this. This one's actually called Zip It. It's made in the USA. And you just put this in there, and the reverse barbs are going to take any of the hair out that's in the drain. So you would just push it in and pull it out. If the clog goes further than you can get with the Zip It tool, that's when you call us at 773-276-5430. And if you'd like to see more videos, go to bedkeplumbing.com.